this is my 2 cents trades. This is an updated pre-session game plan for the Nasdaq and the NQ on the 12th of January, Monday the 12th of January 26. So my initial pre-session game plan for the NQ and Nasdaq were that I expected price to be bullish. The order flow was bullish, and as long as the point of interest, which was this fair value gap here, held, then I expected higher prices. And the point of interest would have been an area to get in on the trade, and the drawn liquidity on the ES would have been 7,100 and 7,200, basically whole round numbers. However, since then, price has reversed hard, and we've basically traded through the point of interest on ES. Therefore, I've decided to update the pre-session game plan, and the likely drawn liquidity is the 6899, 6892 on ES. ES is very much better than NQ. It's getting support at the midline of this daily range that we've been working for some time. However, this looks like a 2-counter rejection. There was a chance of a 2-counter rejection. I should have really mentioned it on my earlier video, but because NQ was behind, I suspected NQ would go for the highs, but it looks like we're completely rejected from this high with a 2-counter rejection. And the point of interest is this validation area between 6969 and 6963 on the ES. On the NQ, it's much weaker than the ES, and we are the levels that the order flow is currently bearish. The invalidation levels are 25834 and 258793. So essentially it's 2,800. We're about 130 points away from it, almost. We must take out the daily range that we've been taking out working for quite a while, and the drawn liquidity is 25520 and 25461. So essentially the order flow is bearish, drawn liquidity is lower, these levels down here, and the point of interest on the daily time frame is this 25,800. If we obviously take that out to the upside, then obviously we have to revise again. But as things stand now, I was looking for this move for all of last week. It looks like it's happening this week. But whether we get this move today, I'm not sure. But it seems likely that we're going for these levels today, possibly.